Welcome to everybody that's tuning in on TGM Radio. We are the Upnlive show team. I'm your girl, Luca Bronas. And we're here every Tuesday between 9 and 11 on TGM. We're sponsored by Trish Prince. We're produced by World Mag. Yeah, we're just there. That Dragon just dropped some song, and boy, Oscar and I can't all a bra fins in a brother. Yes, right? Yeah, asked about weekend. Weekend was nice. It was rainy, but I mean, it did alright. It did alright.
Yeah, I don't know. Happy belated, yeah.
Blessed.
All right, people
yes.
know Rasta celebrate her birthday over the week.
Yeah.
I want to say happy belated birthday to
Thank you. And
so Chantel, wife.
big up yourself, Shani.
Don't know, big up yourself.
Thank you for all the birthday
weekend, I was
greetings.
a braffing weekend. I don't know anything.
Yeah, definitely. We can't just fast forward or skip over Friday and Saturday and just jump to Sunday, please.
Okay, all right.
Wait, no, we can start with Jamaica.
So, yeah, I'm going to start about some
Start
Jamaican
with Jamaican thing, right?
So, sometimes they say tragedy struck close to home.
Right.
And this one in my yard, but I feel like saying I'm yard. Jadwa.
Where a 9-year-old girl, she got killed accidentally by her 14-year-old brother. I don't know if they both were playing with a fishing gun or he was playing with it or whatever the case was, but it went off and it went directly into her chest. Her mom was having a show at the time it happened, and her hearing the shilling screams that the young child uttered, she just ran out, and I mean, the spear was stuck in her chest, and in an effort to save his sister, the brother pulled it out of her chest, which obviously, was spewing blood. I mean,
it caused more damage, basically.
Caused more damage. And right about now, I think he's in custody. Police report. Yeah, so it happened at about 3 p.m. over the weekend.
Yeah, but let's start about some factor in that story, because I feel like
there are
it's
things.
a big case of neglect.
Yep.
How can you leave a set fish gun around kids in your home? Like normally, if you have a fish gun, Jamaica, I know the thing go. Fish gun is something you have to pull it back and it takes strength to do that. Why you leave a fish gun? We know a fish gun going, sometimes it drop and it just shoot off because obviously it's not stable like a modern day firearm.
Yep.
So I don't think you should leave them thing there in the reach of a kid, especially set, because anything can happen. It's
rough. So, and he's in custody, as they said. I don't know what's going to... He's still in custody.
So
he's going to need...
Has he been charged?
I don't know. I've been trying to find some updates on the story. Haven't gotten any. But he's going to need continuous counseling because it's a tragedy. It was an accident. I'm gonna assume it was an accident because me know some things happen in our world nowadays, but me not think say he would have deliberately killed his sister. I'm gonna say it's an accident. Right? And I mean, the mere fact that it's an accident, he was the one that pulled the spear out of her chest and then she died. That's a vivid image that will live with him for the rest of his life.
No, fish gun is like, you have the gilting on it. So when you shoot the fish, you can't wiggle off of the spear. So you have the thing where hook it. So yeah, so ouch. Any pull, it will cause more damage. But anyway.
Rest in peace to her, and I mean, condolences to the family as well as the community members, because it looked as if the community was a very small knit community in St. Elizabeth. So rest in peace to Miss Brown, my namesake.
Yeah.
Yes.
I jump over to Sunday, because
Sunday just really excited.
Sunday more and talk about.
Right. So what happened on Sunday?
So if you're living in the UK, we all know that a little sound clash go down with two of the young UK sound.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So you have Roots on one side. And what the next side, Ras?
Black Panther sound.
Yeah.
The young Jenna.
Yeah, Black Panther sound and DJ Roots on the other side.
So, back into that. So, apparently on the 3rd of May, there was a clash that happened, which was round one.
The online one, I don't think that one did actually go on so good because it was well political glitchy and blah, blah, blah. But this one, the two of them at the same land.
Same place, same, I mean,
yeah,
kind of ish social distancing. But I mean, they were in the same location last Sunday for round 2, the sound clash. BPS, which is Black Panther Sound, DJ Skeng and DJ Double K versus DJ Roots. It was hosted by Alan Brander from War Report. Alan, big up yourself. And from me get the little experience a clash before lockdown, Jaja.
How you think, go on? No, you watch the clash.
I watched
Give
it.
me your analysis.
I started watching it when it reached. Hold on.
Let me hear
when it reached
if you learn
round.
the culture.
When it don't no. Hold on. No. Don't do that to me.
If you learn the war culture, let me see what I go on now.
When it got to round 5, I think that's when I remembered that something that happened. So that's when we jump on, right? And Black Panther sound boy them deal with DJ Roots. Bad.
Roots.
Him get beaten.
Hold on there. Let me show you something. You can't bring knife to a gunfight.
And the thing about it is
first and foremost, don't bring knife to a gunfight because me and you play some dubstep.
Yeah.
One night time me you drop one, why is that Gregory?
Yeah.
One Gregory dub plate and like is a dubstep thing and I make like
people them drop
top
asleep.
and everything I just baseline. Pan live dog. Me like Jaja.
But the thing that what I liked.
Big up Black Panther song.
That's what I'm saying.
The two little Jenna them, the two shooter them.
They
go do them research.
They
and
were
well
prepared. They're well prepared.
Roots, if you listen.
Well prepared.
Boy, you get a half.
Well prepared.
You get a beaten.
Because if you check their Instagram status, hold on. Because I've gone through Black Panther Sound's Instagram account and leading up to the clash, me see coffin and rest in peace tombstone put out
like
for DJ Roots.
Them know them don't kill him from long time.
They were prepared. They went in to kill. And obviously, you know, there were times when the momentum fell, but they picked it up and hands down they won the clash.
Hands down, I don't think none of these kids past the age of 14.
I don't think they past 12. Forgive me if you have. But I don't think they have.
They are kids.
But they represented for the dancehall industry.
They do it.
They did.
There's room for learning and room for growth.
Definitely.
But they're going on in the right direction.
And they have a set of people around them. The team, the rest of the BPS team.
The rest of Black Panther Sound, una guide them good and the rest of selected them with
give them the support.
And give them the support.
That is
continue to support them. So we know say the music is growing because you have the younger kids and the younger generation
that
of kids
is learning. Yeah.
Who's following up.
We need to see more of that.
And, you know?
We need to definitely see more of that happening within the DJ industry.
And the way all these kids set up now is like remind me of back in the days where you have like traditional song system where you have the dedicated MC, you have a dedicated mixer. It's not like a man with a laptop.
Yep.
Like as what them say from what here, some man a vocalist selector send some my laptop and go to Jamaica man can kids them
make
need
it them use them for them online
use
school.
them man online school I go and wall you know look a donation.
It's needed. I was very impressed with I think it's Skeng, DJ Skeng. The MC guy for BPS. God no.
Well,
God no.
To be honest, me see they bring back the apparition to me is Double K because
obviously he's mixing.
In the clash I see like Double K he didn't come out and make a lot of big speech. He keep it short and spicy.
He looks very shy.
I don't think he's shy. He keep it listen, you have to work on your strength.
Yeah, definitely.
Over time he's gonna grow and he can step out and make them big long speech. But I don't think the clash did even need it. Him come make him look a speech, drop the song on the punch and everything work out well for them. So kudos to the youth them man, them are going good.
Very, very impressed.
You know, even after the little, what you call it, the winning round.
The winner's round.
Nice little round.
Party.
Nice
Complete party.
Anybody with the round there smoke and drink and enjoy yourself.
It was really, really nice.
Yeah, it's a nice little enjoyment. Anyway.
So, I'm looking forward to the next clash, guys. I'm into clashes now. So, you know, the more clashes you have my support. Definitely.
So, moving over to some more news in the UK, you know. Every week you have a talk about COVID.
Yes.
Because obviously it's part of our life now. So them come out recently, what them call it? The three tier.
Was
it tier jeans?
Jesus Christ.
Alright, so them say in certain places restaurants and pubs. No, them cut them down from what here. So them cut them back to 10.
Right.
In like the south.
Right.
In the what them call it so? Middle what?
For the Midlands?
Midlands. In Midlands. I think Midlands are 8 o'clock. And up and north, them just kill everything. No pub, no bar, no restaurant, no nothing. Everybody have a turn, you know, can't go up on the road. And
okay.
In London, they cut to 10 o'clock business. I think it's totally fuckery.
Well,
So,
yeah, we
so
did.
we talk about the what COVID go after 10.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, he doesn't. He doesn't.
So COVID don't
he
go work
gets tired. He
from
gets
what
tired
time?
at 9:59.
From that time and 9:59 say,
Yeah.
why?
You know, sometimes I do my
Clock
day's
out
work.
no boss
Yeah.
now pay for after this, you know.
Exactly.
Anything at overtime.
Oh my
So
gosh.
I don't understand, like Mr. Boris Johnson, you see all you do, you put strain upon the people and business we already lost strain from long time. Remember, you know, people not recover yet, you know. Look on Uncle Smaddy are raking the money as what them say over here. Sainsbury's, Waitrose, and them look something there. And the big corporation like them, like the McDonald's and them something there. Cause remember, when you come out if you do this, what you call it? Heat out to help, I saw the name. Something
Eat
like
out
that.
to help out.
Yeah, alright.
Yes,
So when you come out
that
with
one.
that thing, who was the big winner of it? McDonald's.
Yeah, they got more. Yeah.
Because
that's
when I have to think about it, seeing the smaller franchise them, remember them already lose, I would say half of them staff,
true.
and they just don't have the manpower and the willpower to serve X amount of dish. It just not feasible. And now, they must suffer more. The little man don't have him pub. When we live on top of him pub, you like come like put it like a Jamaica.
Yeah, bar downstairs and yard upstairs.
Yeah, you have your shop in your yard. You know you have one spare room, and you live by roadside. You just say, I'm a shop that. Basically, so pubs here UK. The man them have them pub downstairs and live on top. Yeah. So the pub man them, nobody knows, so nobody now go up 10 o'clock, 12 o'clock. But do what?
Nah, that's not it.
No, we have this what them, the track and trace thing. I think that's total nonsense. I think
You've
you
been
need to
saying that for
revamp.
weeks. You've been saying that for weeks, and people share different opinions on it.
Tell me how it work.
It's supposed to
Yeah.
track and trace wherever people enter into buildings or spaces or shops on them stuff, but I don't think it's effective in all areas.
One question, yeah? If we're gonna implement track and trace and in the private sector, the private business, and we don't introduce it in the government sector, like the bus, the tubes, what
Fair
sense that
point.
make? When you're underground in a claustrophobic tube where they don't have social distancing, there's no sign, no nothing say you have to sit the other chair from a person. You sit down on any chair where you want.
Up anywhere.
You stand up anywhere. Go in the tube and rush out and see. It's jam packed as normal. So that may say is like when I do one thing,
but
they're
in
not
other
doing
areas
next thing.
it's not being upheld. So
And
it's kind of it's not right across the
and
board.
this like a road thing where them have to like
Road thing.
they look a whole heap of new rule them where them block off the side road them and
And
it's
all
whole heap of
can't
new
go in a
fines
bus
and stuff.
lane and
Yo,
yeah.
I just feel like you're trying to hustle a bad situation.
I mean, we see it.
Jaja.
I mean, remember, so we were on lockdown from March. You know, so they're trying to recoup all that they did not get during that time.
So well I know.
So it's unfair
the
to
more you
us.
sell your car, buy one bicycle, either
Yeah.
new one or bus man lick you don't kill you.
One of them.
One of them are catch corona because you out to do every day in the blood clot rain.
Ladies
Mr.
and
Johnson, I don't know how I think, you know.
Up.
Because yes, the phone reality is different from the working man reality. Because
they're not on the same
when you look
spectrum
at
as
phone
we are.
life and look and say, oh, but this and that. Remember, you know, when you never grew up like a normal man. When you grew up in a high class society. So when you
It's
think and say
different.
when your life was this, it's totally different
Yeah.
towards
That's
the
true.
people who is in the lower end of the spectrum.
That's true.
So you need to be considerate and think about what the everyday people is going through.
That's so true.
Because we are say London is on a, we call it construction boom. And the construction boom what's happening in London
Who's
is
gonna
not going to
from
benefit
it?
no Londoners. Because to be honest, you can't buy a pin or an anchor. Because anything you buy one, what them call it, one 4x4, one sell, £1 million.
Simple.
Can't buy it over here.
Expensive, and I'm deliberately putting the H on it.
Jaja.
Expensive. Yes.
So anyway, I don't really want to talk about that too much. Because you know, sometimes I talk about it, it kind of...
It pisses him off, and he's very upset. And time is going anyways. So, yes.
Drop
Yeah,
some song and then...
Drop some song. Remember, guys,
Yeah.
this is the Upnlive show. We're here every Tuesday between 9 and 11. We're sponsored by Shish Prints, produced by World Mag. If you want to see the rest of our videos, jump over to our YouTube channel. Look for UPNLIVE show. Watch all the videos. Like, subscribe, share, comment, all the above. keep it moving. We're gonna drop some songs and talk to somebody soon.